for it's real. Oh my god!
Well, I think we know which one went.
No, but look at that!
Yeah.
What is...
Look at that, is that a burger?
Is that?
Or get 2 Big Mac sandwiches for just $2.
Pull that out.
Oh, it's the piston, that's the...
What's that?
Oh, that's
the middle of the piston.
Yeah, that's the
pin.
the pin, yeah. Holy...
Get that bit down there.
Look at these valuable nuggets.
That's like aluminium that's just been like rolled up in your fist.
So here's Callum's old engine, and if I chuck that light on, you can start to see some of the bits that have critically failed. Hang on. So you can see there, that's gone. It should look like that on the other side. You've got an entire valve missing. I'll do that. Hang on, can you see it? Yep, you can see an entire valve missing. In here, you can see all the specs. I mean, look, even in the intake, you can see all the sparkly bits. So what are you doing?
Oh yeah, that one, that's not healthy.
What you found? Holy shit. That's really
That's what it's supposed to look like.
I think the catalyst is definitely that one on the right.
If the rest of the spark plugs are clean, and this one's the fucked one, it's probably that cylinder.
Well, it's got to be, because that's the one where the valve is just completely gone Bluetooth.
Yeah.
Yeah, this one's loose as well. Both of those that side were tight.
Yeah.
These are both loose. So I think this is how they're meant to be.
Yeah. Yeah, because you're not supposed to, the spark plug's not very tight at all.
Whoa, that's a bit
Fine.
bit oily, but
A bit oily.
That's probably the culprit cylinder then.
And leaves about to come off.
yeah, just this one down here.
Oh yeah. Looks flavoursome.
I need a bit of a, give it a little.
Do you want to push it here?
Yeah. Glug.
Should we keep going?
A little bit more.
Oh, that's quite.
Oh. Oh.
There we go.
Hmm.
It's pee.
There you go, that's level again.
Cool.
Back to the beginning.
I mean, it looks vile because obviously it's been left here for ages. Yeah. Just put it in this cylinder for good measure.
Bit lid. Oh, smells.
Might need to whip that pulley off if he can't. Look at that, aluminium corrosion.
They're all my things.
Oof.
I'd eat my dinner off that.
I'll just put that in there. The cylinder of death.
Salt.
It is proper crusty, which is
That's what happens when you leave it out for 6 months.
yeah. Is it 6 months? Has it been
Yeah.
as long as that?
Yeah.
Right.
Now we may be able to pry it, or we may still have
Oh god,
pulley
yeah.
wheel up the pulley.
Yeah, I think we. What about this one here? And this one here?
Christ, they just keep coming. Why did they put down these bolts in? Be so fucked that they shouldn't turn. Oh, now it's turning.
Do you need something to chuck it in there to lock it off?
Possibly.
Yeah, hold on.
It's just spinning.
Yeah, well, yeah, but that's what would.
But I can feel the resistance here, so I've got to the point where there's something broken, it's touching something else that's broken.
Yeah, it spun so far, but then it very quickly, when the guy did it.
Yeah, it's here. Might need some Callum power on this.
Why are you trying to undo it?
Because you've got to get it to take the timing cover off.
Jesus.
Yeah, it's bending the bar.
Yeah,
Go on, Callum.
There's bracket and stuff.
Yeah.
I think that might be.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yes.
Nice.
Boy.
Nice, Callum.
Oh,
Yes.
Oh.
Easy.
Me and
It
George,
helps when I probably
Me
weigh
and George
twice as much as both of you.
Yeah, me and George put our entire weight through it. It didn't even budge.
Well, how much do you weigh?
60 kilos.
I weigh twice as much as you.
Don't need this oil filter.
Yeah, keep going.
Something else is.
That's the oil. The oil thing. There you go. Nice, look at that. So which bit are you popping off? This top? Yeah, just this top section, not the...
Then once this is out, I can get access to the head bolt.
Okay.
Ooh.
Nice.
Right.
Right.
That little tip.
Oh. Nothing here. These have all got the... This is all good. So now we need that set.
Yeah.
Shall I turn it?
Oh yeah, that's a good noise.
It's a big bolt. Very big bolt.
Oh, hello. Nice.
Oh, you can smell it.
Yeah.
Nice.
We have a free head.
Right.
Yeah.
Well, do you want to do the honours?
Hey, here we go.
Ooh.
Oh, still got all the valves.
Yeah, this is the good side.
Mint. Mint. That rust comes.
Well, hang on. Is there anything of interest at all? I mean, what the hell's that? There.
You don't have it this side.
No, yeah. What's that?
Something's got in there. Yeah.
Yeah, because it ate loads of
Oh.
through the
It's
intake.
down there. You got light in there?
Yeah, go on then.
There's no real
Yeah, nice.
scoring in the bores or anything.
No, it's just something on the other side that gave out. I might need to borrow the jazz or call someone to come pick all this up because I don't.
Yeah.
Scrap man.
Who was saying that there's always someone who will pick up your metal?
Yeah, some pipe.
Is that you?
Yeah.
Well, yeah.
If you
Yeah,
just,
there's someone who'll
leave it like there, like someone will show up within a few days and pick it up. Probably within a few hours.
Yeah, there is a really odd smell.
Smell of dead engine.
That was the side that was sat underwater really bad.
Yeah.
Was it?
Yeah, this was the side that had its own culture growing in the intake.
And
Right, try.
What about that?
I think
See these
that
brackets
is in this.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's it. That's part of there.
But is that secured in place with that bit there?
Just whack it, Edward. Yep, there we go.
With that?
Wait. Excellent. Oh, what have we got in here then? Come on.
Right, part of the 14 special.
Are these bent?
I reckon so.
One of them is
Them-
definitely, yeah.
Look at that. These I don't know what you call these little heads.
They're the rollers.
Rollers.
Rocker rollers. Couple of knocks maybe left and right. There we go.
But it's real.
Oh my god!
Well, I think we know which one went.
No, but look at that!
Yeah.
What is?
Look at that. Is that
What
a burger?
is that?
Pull that out.
Oh, it's the piston. That's the.
What's that?
Oh,
That's
that's
the middle of the piston.
yeah, that's the
pin.
the pin, yeah. Holy!
Get that bit down there.
Look at these valuable nuggets.
That's like aluminium that's just been like rolled up in your fist. Oh wait, can you see the?
That
You can see the imprint of the. Is that the valve? Like there? Like, do you see the imprint of that or something?
Yeah, that's definitely the bits of piston.
I need a picture of this.
That's
Get a closer pic.
insane. Look in there.
That's the rod isn't even the rod's backwards. There's something
Normal?
missing in
Not
there.
normal. Normal?
Yeah, there's something missing.
I mean, look at that.
Oh my.
And that was in there.
Yeah.
The fact that the pin in the piston made it round relatively unscathed is
Yeah.
hilarious, considering the rest of it got pounded into.
That's
Well, let's put it back where it belongs. Where's the other bit gone? There it is. In you go. Oh, we can take this off.
There's something in there.
Yeah.
There, in the corner. Edward, in the corner.
Yeah, that's it. Let's see if we can get chopsticks.
No, it's that big nugget. You don't need.
Got it.
Oh,
It's another one.
Got it.
yeah.
Alright.
That's some good ramen. Yeah.
There we go.
There you go.
There we go. We can fix this, man.
We can fix this.
I think the fourth bit is still in there.
Yeah.
Um,
It must be a small piece.
This is fixable. Oh, maybe someone will buy this sensor.
Yeah.
That's probably fine.
It's going to be metal as this.
Oh, there, clean as a whistle.
the other one was dirty, like the other side.
Yeah.
I was doing this.
No, we already took that off, I think, and it was.
Wiggle with my hands. We're pretty much there.
Oh, yeah.
What's that doing?
Yeah, I'm watching.
The way she uses her brain to imitate what she's seen others doing.
It might come apart now.
Put up.
wow. Imagine that.
The other side.
Oh yeah.
Hey! You pull it your side? Flip it, yeah, there's a gap here, so flip it. Well, we can just... Right, do we want to lay it flat, then pull it off?
It's going to want to pull the pistons out of the cylinder.
Yeah, should we pull it flat? Then pull. Can't get the piston out.
Well, with a bit of force,
it's
it'll
still
come out.
attached. It's still attached.
Lovely.
And you can see where it's got into the next one. It's just, so it's got ports all the way, that's how it's got through straight into the next one. It's not a hole in it, it's just absolutely mashed that and got through.
And up there. Or was that normal?
I think these holes are normal.
Oh, I think these holes are normal, yeah.
But it is absolutely mangled.
Yeah.
What's this? Oh,
It's a rod bearing. Yeah.
rod bearing.
Looks alright.
Oh, brand new.
Yeah.
Sell that on eBay.
Yeah.
Is it scorched?
Actually, oh no, that's just the knot.
That's the outward face. So.
No, the inside. Is it scorched? No.
No, it's fine.
I imagine the face of the bearing on that probably doesn't look.
Oh yeah.
healthy.
Meant to spin.
Wow. Shiny.